That's right, man. It's your boy J Spin. Now that I'm getting married, this song goes out to my old past big booty mommies. Here you go. Don't get mad at me, Jamila. This is what I used to do.
Last night I let the party get the best of me. Waking up in the morning, two hoes laying next to me. Plus I heard Jamila sent the text to me. Cold beer, Spanish mommy, that's the motherfucking recipe. Station 5, we roll deep, so deep. It's going down in this bitch. Send a tweet, we running calls all night. No sleep, tell the captain this is my ride. I'm in charge, that's how it's gonna be. Big booties I see, the mommies are rubbers and the tonic's all free. Kick girls, I mean fly girls, gonna fill the whole suite. Then fly to a level where you're gonna need your own tweet. Big booties I see.
No jobbing, no sleeping, live it up like it's the weekend. When the DJ play the right song, come drink, come party all night long. No jobbing, no sleeping, live it up like it's the weekend. When the DJ play the right song, come drink, come party all night long.
Leaving from the bar, Jamila wanna stay with us. Came to fuck 'em all, don't know what I'm paying for. Used to drive a Bez, now you know what I traded for. Every time I look up, it's another redneck. Bunch of medics in the game, but they ain't playing with us. They just lame enough, man. Them girls be calling, they just saying stuff, saying I does. I'm just rolling hella deeper while I'm on the way to the cove. I had to wait at the cove, but now I don't, cause everything is on me. Big booties I see, the mommies are rubbers and the tonic's all free. Get girls on me, fly girls, gonna fill the whole suite. Get drunk on me, so drunk, we're gonna need a whole week. Big booties I see.
There's big booty mommies everywhere, man.